Hi! Update! Ginawa na ni Kel yung Lego, hindi niya na napigilan. Dahil ibibigay na namin ito mamaya, ipapak na muna namin. Kasi magme-merienda na lang muna kami dito sa may Putulicious. Sarap! Siyempre, favorite Shanghai.
Hansan.
Wow! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. So, nakain ako ngayon ng breakfast and nag-work na ako. Buti na lang ngayon walang pasok. I mean, may last day na ng mga bata. So, Christmas party nila mamaya. And I'm having egg rice with ham. Tapos gagawa ko ng ano ngayon, ng, tawag dito? Dark chocolate drink. Kasi nga, magtatatlong araw na akong hindi nagkakape. Akalain nyo yun. Binawas-bawasan ko muna kasi may nararamdaman ako. Pure dark cocoa powder. Tapos oat milk. Ito lang. Coffee milk frother. Dahil ibibigay na namin ito mamaya, ipapak na muna namin. Kasi nga kagabi, gabing-gabi na. Kailangan na namin matulog. Pero anyways, let's start packing. Bumili din kami ng cellophane. Medyo makalat pa. No? Mamaya mawawala yan lahat. This one right here. Tsaka ribbon. Si MJ ang nakaisip niyan. Sabi ko nga ano na lang eh. Parang tote bag pero gusto niya presentable. Hi, Bailey! Everything's ready. So, meron tayong 10 family na mabibigyan. Sana next year maging 20 or more. Tapos na ako mag-work and pupunta na kami ngayon sa school ng mga bata kasi nga, susundin na namin si Kel. Pero si Mikay, 12 a.m. pa siya kasi nga may party sa school.
10 lang
10? 10 hanggang 10 p.m. lang pala, sabi ng daddy.
Hanggang 10 lang siya. Pwede na 12.
May party ang mga high school. Ako sana yan ito magmeriende sa ano yun? Sa Putulicious yung mango halo-halo. Pero malalaman namin mamaya. Sarap! 30 pa lang naman, sana meron pa. Kasi madalas kapag mga ganitong oras, ubos na yun. Tapos may bibigyan si daddy na isang ano doon. Yung parang laging tumutulong sa amin, magbuhat ng mga bag nila Kel. Lalo kapag wala si MJ. Bibigyan niya ng something-something.
I have something to tell you.
What?
I saw in a dance competition. Like.
Ayaw pa magpasundo ni Kel, mga 6 p.m. daw, so isang oras pa. Pero pwede na namin siyang sunduin. Ayaw pa niya kasi nga last day na ng klase. They're growing. Dati gustong-gusto nila umuwi, ngayon ayaw na nila umuwi. Magme-merienda na lang muna kami dito sa may Putulicious, yung lagi namin kinakainan.
Okay lang, mami.
Putulicious! Sana meron pa. Wow, yung super mix.
Sige.
Let's go. Ay, mga cookies. Ano pa meron? Ito. Bibili din kami nito mamaya. Yama cake, tsaka leche flan. Sa our order na una na, balbakwa. Masarap to pag mainit-init pa. Siyempre, lalagyan natin ng chili. Grabe, ang sarap. Pag napagtagalan custard kayo, try nyo dito sa Putulicious. Solid ba, baby? The best mango halo-halo. Yes. Ang sarap. Siyempre, favorite Shanghai. Kain tayo. Naubos na MJ yung balbakwa. Takbo ng takbo. Tahan natin. Ayan o, nakikipaglaro siya. Ezekiel! What are you doing? You said you're not gonna run. Say hi! Pa si Mikay eh. How was your school?
good.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Kel, we saw your dance. Sumayaw pala sila si Kel tsaka si Mikay. Nag-perform sila sa stage. Buti may mami na nakapag-video. Back home and Kel's gonna do a haul video.
From my Christmas party, I had gotten this.
And Fluffy. Next.
Next, I got a coloring set. It's a hand fan.
Wow.
We have cookies. Don't just
Oh, cupcake.
May mga pangalan niya ba yun? Nakalagay ito.
a coloring set. We have a paper soap with tissue
Wow, that's really handy. Paper soap.
from Ducho. And it's a Christmas tree.
Oh, squishy. That's so cute.
Then we have a marker from Darren.
Kel's favorite color, green.
Then we have a Hershey's bar from Erin.
Chocolate.
But for some reason, she only gave it to a specific teacher. I
Oh.
mean, people.
Wow, so it means you're special.
Oh, look. I'll show.
Do you like that? Ang sweet ng teacher nila, oh. It's... There's more?
Yes,
My goodness.
I told you.
Who gave you that?
From who?
Well,
What's that? 3D Creative Visual... Oh, lamp!
ooh,
It's a lamp.
Lisa.
Oh, 2 birthdays.
Yeah, they have paper on it though.
Oh, this one's is, fondant. Ang cute. Anime.
We have a small notebook. But we have another one from Nathaniel. This
Perfume.
perfume.
Cologne.
Ezekiel.
Let me see. Give me. Wow, that's so nice.
We have this thing, a cat pen.
Someone gave you that?
Yep.
Oh.
Ryan.
Cologne? Wow, you got 2 colognes.
From whom?
From Ryan daw.
Thank you for all the names that I won't mention because of privacy.
May nangangaroling.
Baby, stay. Mommy, stay.
Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Thank you for the Christmas.
Bye! Set up ko muna yung mga regalo. Pero tatanggalin ko din yan kasi nga, kita nyo to? Mabuhok. Okay.
Mommy.
Hi! Update! Ginawa na ni Kel yung Lego, hindi niya na napigilan. Kultibilyo. Ang bonjing. Can you show the Lego?
Okay, we're gonna
Oh.
introduce you to it. First, we have a cannon, then we have 2 side cannons, then we have another cannon.
Put it here.
Then we have this cannon over here. Oh no, the flag. Then we have two more cannons over there. Then we have 2 back cannons, and then we have this
That's so cool.
we have these 2 guys. This one is holding a hand cannon.
How many hours did you build it?
2.
2 hours.
And then we have this guy in a boat with the cannon.
Good job, Kel.
And then we have this helicopter,
Oh, that's so cute.
but it has no cannon.
Ah, it's okay. What will you say to your classmate?
I will say,
Good job for picking the Lego.
you should have picked something harder.
Good job, Kel. You know, I bought you like a rack. It's already 10. Hindi, mag-11 na. Ngayon pa lang namin susunduin si Mikay kasi nga nag-party sila. Sumama na ako. Tapos pag-uwi, doon na naman. Kasama din namin si Kil. Ayan na si Master, si Bossing. Bossing MJ. Bossing. Hindi ko pala na-end yung Vlogmas Day 17, pero nung araw na yon nabigay na din namin yung mga pinamigay ni Daddy. Hindi ko kasi siya na-videohan, para nakalimutan namin. Pero yun nga, happy ang mga napagbigyan ni Daddy ng Christmas, anong tawag dyan? Parang Christmas bag, mga ganun. Christmas grocery package, ganun, goodies. So, yun. That's it for Vlogmas Day 17. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!